Okay guys, so for homework 16, the first thing that we have to do is take this denominator here and factorize it. And now that we see the factorization of the denominator, we see that we have two pieces. And so we're gonna set this equal to two separate fractions. And so we put one factor in one denominator, the other factor in the other denominator, and we need these mysterious numerators called a and b. And we know that this here really is the answer. So let's bubble this in, and then we can go from there. And now we go through and we give these individual pieces the support that they need. And then we can put parentheses around these pieces down here. And now if you notice, all of the denominators are perfectly identical. And because that's the case, we can now go through and dismiss all of these denominators. And so now we're left only with the numerators to deal with. And maybe we can distribute the a and we can distribute the b. And maybe we can grab this bx and put it after the ax. And now we can make some comparisons. We know that 3 has to equal this, and this leftover piece has to equal those leftover pieces.
Mr. Lee's class, everyone say hi to Mr. Lee.
And so now we have this system of equations here in blue, and you decide how you want to solve this system. Me personally, I'll probably multiply the first equation by 5. And the reason for that is because if you look here, 5 times b is going to be 5b, and positive 5b is going to knock out the negative 5b. So now let's write down the brand new top equation, and we'll keep the bottom equation the same. And then if we add the two equations, the b's knock out, and here is what we get. So we get this down here, and of course this implies that a is negative 4. Now that you know what a is, let's quickly find b and we're done. So take negative 4 for a and perhaps plug it in like right there. So since a is negative 4, you drop it off there, and that gives us this equation up here. Then you can add the 4 to the other side, and that tells us that b is 7. So we have a and b, so now let's go back to the main problem. So a is negative 4, b is positive 7, and here in this bubble, the decomposition of this original rational expression.